Sarah Wairimu Cohen eguthi na mbere guikara rumande nginyagia tariki 1 mweri ukite riria ciira wake ugathie na mbere. Wairimu ndanathomerwo thitango kurumirira ndugamano igi kana wakiri wake Murgor niagirirwo kumurugamirira. Wakiri wa family ya Cohen Cliff Ombeta aroiga ati Murgor ni umwe wa maabithaa a wabici ya ndirenda na ouguo aya kuhuthira hinya kuma wabici-ini iyo na gutharararia ciira.
Apart from being a defense counsel in this matter, we know him as a public prosecutor. That one out there again is an issue. In a murder trial, representation is everything. It is everything. So let us not take it lightly like he is doing. Let him not see it's a side show.
Riu Murgor erigirirwo kwihita wa gatano gake ati ndari na ngwataniro o yothe na wabici ya ndirenda. Ombeta akienda ngathiti ya thirikari iria yaniriire kwa murwo gwake guthurimwo kana nima niacokire kwiyeherania ta uria erite igoti.
The final position on whether or not I am will come from Nurdin Haji, and we'll expect his affidavit in that regard. So what Ombeta is asking, they are good questions because he's in the dark, should come in the form of a formal application and we shall respond.
This position must be clarified before he even takes plea for the client, because if the client takes plea at this particular moment without this issue, then is she represented? Then aren't we now going against the law?
Mucirithania Sarah Mutuku wa igoti nene niwe utwite itua riu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njetawo wa gikuu wa Kimani.
I need her to commit herself, but I will swear mine by tomorrow.
All right. Yes. So by close of tomorrow, we've exchanged our
documents? We will exchange. All right.